Sabudana khichdi, a popular upvas recipe, can be made in just 10 minutes. To make the sabudana khichdi, rinse the sabudana until the water runs clear to get rid of the starch. Combine the sabudana and 1 cup of water in a deep bowl. Mix well and keep aside to soak overnight to get the best results. In the morning, drain the sabudana and remove the excess water. Heat the oil in a deep non-stick pan and add the cumin seeds. When the seeds crackle, add the green chilies, curry leaves, peanuts. Mix well and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. These peanuts have been roasted and coarsely ground. Add in boiled potatoes, salt, and sugar. Mix well and cook on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Add the drained sabudana and mix well. Cook on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes and serve the sabudana khichdi hot. For a variation on the classic upvas-friendly version, you can prepare a hariyali khichdi using this green paste made with coriander, green chilies, and ginger. This paste needs to be added after the peanuts and before adding the sabudana. It will give a lovely green color and fresh taste for a unique variation. Sabudana vada, a popular Maharashtrian snack, is usually eaten during fasting. Roast the groundnuts in a pan till black spots appear on the husk. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Transfer them to a mixer jar and grind them into a coarse powder. For making the mixture of the sabudana vada, we will take soaked and drained sabudana. Add the potatoes, the peanuts, the green chilies, the ginger, and the jeera. Add lemon juice and sugar to balance the flavors. Sprinkle in some coriander. Add salt to taste and mix everything well. Divide the mixture and shape them into small patties. The size can vary as per your wish. Heat the oil in a deep pan and carefully slide 3 to 4 vadas at a time. Fry on one side nicely, flip, and fry on both sides till golden brown. Remove the sabudana vadas onto an absorbent paper towel. Serve them hot with green chutney. Here are some tips to learn how to soak your sabudana perfectly. To check if the sabudana has been properly soaked, press a pearl between your thumb and index finger. If it smashes easily, it's soaked perfectly. If not, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, cover, and keep aside for another half an hour. Always use a 1-to-1 ratio of sabudana and water. If you add more water, they will become extremely soft and mushy, making the khichdi a clumpy mass. Follow these tips to say goodbye to mushy, gooey sabudana pearls and say hello to perfect ones today and every time. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.